Want to design a highway in just a few minutes without creating every profile from scratch? Welcome to this present trade tutorial on how to use the profile optimization tools in civil site design. This feature helps you generate a complete road profile with all its curves and grades in just minutes, giving you a strong starting point for the design process. In this example, we already have a road profile that starts from chainage 0 and runs all the way to the end. To optimize it automatically, we first define the start and end chainages, the segment length, and the minimum and maximum vertical curve lengths. Now let's refine the design by clicking on the Components button. A window opens with 3 main sections, each of which you can activate or leave unchecked depending on your needs. The first controls cut and fill depth. Here, we set how far the profile is allowed to deviate from the ground. In this case, we'll keep it within 1 meter to stay close to the natural surface. The second is grade, where we define the minimum and maximum slope percentages. And the third is the K value, which defines the vertical curve parameter for our road. Each of these sections also includes a weight bar. This lets you tell the software which factor is most important. In this project, we'll give greater weight to the grade, since slope control is critical for highway design. Once the settings are ready, click OK. Once everything is set, click Optimize button to make civil site design handle the work. At this point, civil site design starts running the optimization in the background. It takes a few moments as the software calculates the best fit profile based on the rules and weights we've defined. And once it's done, the result appears immediately on the screen. A complete profile with curves and grades applied automatically respect the limits we defined. For a closer look, we can click the number next to Done to open a detailed report showing exactly how the optimization was applied. Of course, this isn't the final design. It's a smart starting point. From here, you can refine each IP manually, reopen the Components window to adjust values, and re-optimize as many times as you need until the profile meets your exact requirements. And if you're working on multiple roads, civil site design makes it just as simple. From the Roads tab, go to Road Strings and select String Profile Optimizer. Pick the alignments you want, apply your settings, and click Optimize Profiles. The software then applies the optimization across all selected roads at once. And there you have it, a highway profile designed in minutes, optimized automatically, and ready for refinement. Contact Present Trade today to get your free trial of civil site design and see for yourself how much faster and smarter road design can be.